Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make these amazing long necklaces. They are super easy and super amazing. They look so cute and adorable. You can gift it to someone if you wanted to, or you can make one for yourself. For this video, we are going to learn how did I make this amazing long what do you call it, pendant necklace. This is long necklace as well. So if you wanted to learn this tassel necklace as well, you just comment me on the comment box down below, and I'm going to teach you this one as well. So we are going to remove this one aside right now, and this is almost like 15 inches a long necklace. If you are the one who loves to wear long necklaces and simple and amazing, you can make this one. You can add more designs, more layers into it as well if you wanted to. So for this one, I have used eye pins and pearls and crystals. Whatever I have used, I'm going to mention everything into the description box down below. So make sure you go there and read whatever I have used in this video. So let's get started. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And this is almost like a necklace for the beginners. So I hope you all will love it. So come on and let's make this amazing long necklace. Okay, so first things first, you will need any marble bead you have in the house. Okay, like I have so many colors. Oops. Okay. Everything just falls off from this storage box. Okay, sorry about that noise. So here you can see I have some larger ones, I have some smaller ones, but for this one, for this necklace, I'm using a little bit smaller size. So it's totally up to you which one you wanted to use. So now you're going to take your one of these, and then I'm going to take my eye pin. I'm going to insert my eye pin in, but first let me show you what actually you will need for this project. You will need any one bead, you will need one eye pin, you will need pearl, which is 10 mm, 8 mm crystal, 6 mm pearl, and 4 mm pearl. Okay, I'm going to teach you right now how did I attach these, because this is a beginner one. And you will need any of these crystal, any size, or if you don't want to use crystals, you can go ahead and meet this with pearls as well. So it's a choice. You will need some of these nails. These are the jewelry nails. And you will need some jump rings, of course. And you will need some couple of these wired pearls. And you will need your jewelry pliers, nose plier, the cutter, and the one which bends everything, this one here. So now we can start. So first things first, I'm going to take my main necklace piece, the locket piece, and what I'm going to do is insert this nail in right here, and then we are going to make of course the loop. This is my first video in English version of how you can make these jewelry. Okay, so now we have this piece right here. Okay, so now we are going to attach these pearls because I really wanted to make it a little bit longer. It's choice. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and make. And for this chain of this necklace, I mean, like, it's whole large necklace. So for this, you have to take any one of your bead, insert your, what I do, I prefer you to use the one with the eye pins, but you don't, if you don't have the eye pin ones, you can go ahead and take your nail one. Just bend the top first and then rotate it backward, and then shift your bead here to the one where we made this eye, and then bend the other side. Now we are going to cut this part, and then we're going to turn this to make a other loop like that. And this is how you are going to make as many as you wanted your necklace, as much as you want your necklace long. You have to just make this like that, and then just bend this over to the other side, and then you're going to cut, and then you are going to just, so you have to make these to attach with each other to form a long necklace. And the attachment of this is really very easy. All you have to do is just open one section of your bead, insert the other section, and then just close. And this is how you have to connect this from each and every side together. I have, for this string of beads, I have used crystals, the darker blue, the lighter blue, then I use this flat bead here, white, then I use a larger royal blue color bead, then I use this 6mm bead, 8mm bead, and then I use one of these, what do you call it, drop shape bead. So you can make as many, you can attach as many as you wanted to make a longer version of your necklace. And for the back side, of course, I'm not going to attach this because this can hurt your neck. For the back side of the necklace, I prefer you to use these kind of chains, which you can get it online. So now we are going to first assemble our necklace. Okay, so for the necklace part, you're going to take your first bead, and now I'm going to attach this 10mm pearl with this bead right here. I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to open this pearl, the 10mm pearl, and into that I'm going to use 8mm crystal. And now I'm going to open, this is how it looks like right now, and then I'm going to open this one, the 8mm crystal eye pin, and I'm going to attach it to the 6mm pearl. And now finally, after attaching this part, I'm going to attach the last 4mm pearl with this. And this, I have made all of these exactly the way I told you right now, that how you're going to make these. This is how I made all of these, and at the end I have put some Loreal pearls here. It's optional. If you wanted to make that long, you can go ahead and make that long. Now shut, and this is your necklace piece is ready. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and add more layers to it, like on the sideways. If you wanted to, you can add more random beads like here, and then add some pearls if you wanted to, but I like it this way. Now to attach this to your main part of your work, I'm going to take my jump ring, open your jump ring, and take your necklace part here, then add your bead, your center necklace, and then you add your second side of your necklace. And there you can see you have one long necklace here. And for the back, I'm not using any kind of clasp or anything. All I'm taking is just a regular chain. So you can make you can take as long as you wanted to, like as long as you're happy with your chain. I'm going to take like almost, I don't have right now my inch tape. Okay, I cannot even find it right now, but somehow I'm going to skip right, almost right. Okay, so what you have to do is just open, and then you have to attach this chain to your main piece. So open this and then attach it to your main piece. There are many different ways you can make the necklace. This is the simplest way to make one. If you're new to your jewelry making world, just okay. And now I'm going to, sorry about that camera focus noise. It's just because right now it's on autofocus, so that is why it's trying to focus on my hands. And this is how you create your wonderful necklace. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and open this section and attach your what do you call it, a lock or whatever, but I think it's big enough to wear it like that. So this is it. So short and quick video is just because this is the quickest video I have ever made, and I hope you have understood what I have teach you guys in this video. And here is my another necklace. I've made this tube kind of thing to make sure that these tassels are okay. And if you wanted to learn how did I make this one, you can go ahead and comment me on the comment box down below. All the stuff you need for this necklace right here, I'm going to put everything into the description box down below. You can go ahead and watch whatever you will need for this. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And everyone who gives time and support to my channel, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.